and welcome to our 4-part tutorial series on Robotis' new Dynamixel SDK. The 4-part series will consist of the following videos: an introduction to the Dynamixel SDK, the Dynamixel SDK Wiki, and the Issues section, hardware setup instructions, software preparation procedures, and a step-by-step guide on how to execute a read-write C++ example. The Robotis Dynamixel SDK 3.x can be accessed from Robotis' official software repository on GitHub, github.com/robotis-git. The Dynamixel SDK is a modular, cross-compilable, all-in-one software development library designed for controlling Robotis' Dynamixel system. The SDK is available for 32-bit and 64-bit Windows and Linux operating systems and supports all Dynamixels, both Protocol 1.0 and Protocol 2.0. Multi-port control, i.e. controlling Dynamixel via multiple ports, is also possible. The SDK is written in C and C++. Examples are available for C#, MATLAB, LabVIEW, Python, and Java, with C used as the binding. You can compare Dynamixel SDK 3.x with previous versions of the SDK by using this table. You can download the latest release of the SDK on the main page here, or by going to the wiki, looking for source file in the table of contents, and clicking download to access the latest release. As of August 10th, 2016, the latest version of the SDK is version 3.3.3. Alternatively, you can clone the repository by typing in the following command in terminal or git bash. The Dynamixel SDK Wiki, which can be accessed here, is a comprehensive manual that explains how to use the Dynamixel SDK. It includes hardware setup instructions, software preparation procedures, descriptions of the provided SDK examples and instructions on how to execute some of these examples in different software environments, and API reference documentation. If you have any questions about the Dynamixel SDK or the Dynamixel SDK Wiki, would like to point out potential errors or bugs, or would just like to provide feedback or input on what can be changed or improved, you can access Issues and upload a new issue. Our team will try to address your questions, concerns, or feedback as soon as possible. Under Issues, you can see Open or Ongoing Issues and Closed Issues. Please make sure that you have looked through the open and closed issues to see if an issue you have is already being or has already been addressed. Please use the Issues section to address issues with the Dynamixel SDK and corresponding wiki. Please don't use it for other technical issues, as your questions may not be answered. If you have any other technical questions, please email cs@robotis.com if you are in the North or South American regions, or contact us 2, that is the number 2, @robotis.com if you are anywhere else. Or you can review the e-manual, a technical support manual, at support.robotis.com. In the next episode, we'll be going over the necessary hardware components required to be able to start using the Dynamixel SDK.